What if adding one common kitchen staple into a simple spoonful of vinegar could completely revolutionize your blood flow and stamina within minutes? Millions of men battle low energy, stiff arteries, and sluggish circulation every single day, completely unaware that their body's vascular switch is trapped behind poor nutrient absorption. But when raw vinegar bonds with this golden liquid, it triggers a massive nitric oxide surge, opening stiff arteries and forcing powerful blood flow throughout your entire body. Raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother is one of nature's most effective vascular cleansers. It contains concentrated acetic acid, active enzymes, and potassium that directly target arterial congestion. The moment it enters your system, it actively breaks down calcified buildup along your vessel walls while stabilizing the blood sugar spikes that stiffen your arteries. But on its own, raw vinegar is harsh on an empty stomach, which is why it requires a protective partner. That vital partner is extra virgin olive oil, rich in oleic acid and potent vascular polyphenols. When blended together, the healthy fats act as a biological buffer, coating your stomach lining to completely eliminate the acidic burn while accelerating nutrient absorption. Even better, these lipids lock onto the active compounds, keeping them circulating in your bloodstream for hours. To unlock maximum vascular performance without causing stomach irritation, precision in your measurements and mixing is essential. In a small glass, pour 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar containing the cloudy mother. Add 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of room temperature water to balance the blend. Stir vigorously for 10 seconds until the oil and vinegar form a cloudy golden emulsion. Drink this mixture once a day, ideally 15 to 20 minutes before your first meal of the morning. Taking it on a relatively empty stomach right before food primes your digestive tract optimizes nutrient absorption and triggers vascular dilation right as your daily metabolic rate starts climbing. To get the full stamina and blood flow benefits without any setbacks, avoid these 3 major mistakes. Never use clear distilled white vinegar. White vinegar is heavily processed, chemically stripped of enzymes, and lacks the active mother needed to spark nitric oxide production. Second, never take raw vinegar straight without diluting it in water and olive oil. Undiluted vinegar can wear down your tooth enamel and irritate your esophagus over time. The olive oil and water mixture acts as a safe, protective delivery system. Third, never use cheap, refined olive oil blends cut with canola or soybean oil. Refined cooking oils cause systemic inflammation, which directly counteracts the vascular clearing benefits of the apple cider vinegar. Always choose authentic extra virgin olive oil in a dark glass bottle. From your very first morning, your vascular system begins to respond. Within 30 minutes, you will feel a warm wave of circulation through your hands, feet, and core as tight vessels relax. By day 3, midday fatigue lifts, replaced by steady physical stamina and clear focus. And by day 7, the cumulative effect takes over. Your blood flow peaks, your natural endurance spikes, and your morning vitality and bedroom confidence return with undeniable strength. Restoring your blood flow, daily stamina, and physical confidence does not take complex medical routines. It starts with combining the right natural ingredients already sitting in your kitchen. If you got real value from this breakdown, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our evidence-based natural vitality protocols. I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried taking apple cider vinegar or olive oil for your health, and what is your favorite way to take them? Also, leave your age in the comments below and tell me the biggest circulation or energy goal you are working on right now. I read and reply to every single comment myself, so let's talk down below. We are all in this journey together. I'd love to hear your story.